Did you know you can vote without ever stepping foot into a polling place? The state of Minnesota makes it easy to do. Beginning 46 days before the election, you can request a ballot, vote from the comfort of your home, and return it when it's most convenient for you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Request your ballot. Visit mnvotes.gov and request a mail ballot. The process is quick, and once your request is approved, your ballot will be mailed to the address on your voter registration. Before requesting your ballot, take a moment to make sure your registration information is up to date. Step 2. Vote at your own pace. One of the biggest advantages of voting by mail is that you don't have to rush your decision. You'll have time to review the candidates and issues before making your choices. You can even view personalized sample ballot at mnvotes.gov so you know exactly what to expect. Complete your ballot by following the enclosed instructions. Remember, you don't have to vote in every race. Cast votes only in the contests where you feel informed. When you're finished, place your ballot in the security envelope, seal it inside the return envelope, and don't forget to sign the outside. Your signature helps election officials verify your ballot. Step 3. Returning your ballot. Once you've completed your ballot, returning it is easy. You can mail it back, place it in an official ballot drop box, or return it in person to your local election office. That's it. Voting by mail gives you more time to make your decisions and participate in a convenient and secure way.